How to get MoneyView processing fee discount, guaranteed for new users. Hey everyone, are you looking to get a personal loan with MoneyView and save money on processing fees? This video is for you. But before we dive in, there's a crucial step many miss. Unlocking the discount. It's all about being new. MoneyView offers a guaranteed processing fee discount for first-time users ****. That means if you haven't signed up yet, you're golden. Hold on. Don't install the app just yet. Here's the important part. Using a special referral link before downloading the MoneyView app activates the processing fee discount. If you install directly from the App Store, the discount won't work. The secret's in the link. We've got you covered. Check the description below for the exclusive MoneyView referral link. Here's why the link matters. By using the referral link, you'll be linked to MoneyView with the processing fee discount already applied. Already downloaded the app? Don't worry. If you've already downloaded the app directly, don't fret. Just uninstall it and use the referral link from the description to reinstall. No expiry worries. Unlike some promo codes, MoneyView's referral discount doesn't expire. Ready to save? Use the referral link below, download MoneyView, and get your processing fee discount instantly. We've also included the referral code in the description for your reference.